Namaste, hi, and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'm using this Pond Super Light Gel as a base to moisturize my skin. Next, I'm using L.A Girl's Pro Concealer to highlight my eyebrows. In Latino makeup, eyebrows plays a major role. Let's fill in the eyebrows with black and brown shade. And blend the concealer with the help of a blender. Let's not keep the eyebrows sharp because Latinos doesn't have sharp eyebrows. Next, I'm using the Makezmia and Recode foundation. If you want to know the shade names, you can check out the description box below. Apply the foundation on cheeks and forehead area and blend it. For the contour, I'm using the Pretty All Set palette and contouring my forehead, nose, cheeks and chin area with a dark brown shade. For the loose powder, I'm using the brand Europe Girl and applying it all over my face. Let's not drag the puff but instead press it on the face gently. Then with the concealer, I'm highlighting my forehead, outer corner, inner corner, nose bridge, corner of my nose and chin area and blending it with a blender. For the lid area from the Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette. And for the eyeliner, I'm using the Dazzler eyeliner and creating a wing because Latinos like to keep their eyeliners look long to make the eyes look more intense and long. Now for the blush, I'm using the Shills blush palette and mixing both orange and pink shade and applying it on the upper part of my cheeks to create the illusion of a long face. Then I'm curling my lashes with a curler and adding my false lashes. For the mascara, here I am using the Fashion Color Mascara brand. Now for lining my lips, I am using the Super Matte Brown Lip Liner and lining my lips. using Forever 52 palette here lipstick. I'm using a light brown shade and applying it on my lips and adding a clear gloss. Finally, I'm fixing my makeup with a face mist and drying it. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.